subpoena Colonel Jessup.
What?
Listen for a second.
No.
Just hear me
No,
out.
I won't listen and I won't hear you out. Your passion is compelling, Joe. It's so useless. Loudon Downey needed a trial lawyer today.
You chicken. You're gonna use what happened today as an excuse to give up.
It's over.
Turn around.
Why did you ask Jessup for the transfer order? In Cuba, why did you ask Jessup for the transfer order? Why?
I wanted the damn transfer order.
You could have gotten it by picking up the phone and calling any one of a dozen departments at the Pentagon. You didn't want the transfer order. You wanted to see Jessup's reaction when you asked for the transfer order. You had an instinct, and it was confirmed by Markinson. Now, damn it, let's put Jessup on the
You
stand.
just don't care, do you?
What possible good could come from what he just understand?
He took Kendrick to order the code red.
He did.
You just don't care.
That's great. Why
No.
didn't you say so?
You just don't care what Mama does to you. No, you don't. You don't care. You don't care. No, 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 no. No.
Oh, we get it from Jess.
You
No
do.
problem. We get it from
I don't
Jess.
think you do.
And you ordered the code red on Santiago?
I don't really think you do care.
What do we have for the losers, Judge? Well, for our defendants, it's a lifetime and exotic court record. And for defense counsel, Kathy. That's right. It's a court-martial. Yes, Johnny. After falsely accusing a highly decorated Marine officer of conspiracy and perjury, Lieutenant Kathy will have a long and prosperous career teaching typewriter maintenance at the Rocco Palumbo School for Women. Thank you for playing. Should we or should we not? Follow the advice.
I'm sorry I lost you.
Karen. Karen. Look at those teeth. Miss Karen.